Hey there, Todd here at Texas Marine. Are you looking for the perfect boat to get you out on the water this summer where you can hang out with your family and friends and have a great time? You have a lot of fun with a lot of action packed? I've got it right here. 2014 Yamaha 242 Limited S. It's got 220 hours, 360 horsepower. These things are going to give you the whole shot. They're going to give you the quality ride that you're looking for, and you're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to go inside and look at a couple of the features up there, but let's take a walk around the outside real quick and look at a couple of things there. Then we'll go look at the inside. So start down here out back. Obviously you got the ladder for easy on and off, but you'll notice you got twin engines. It's going to give you a lot of performance. It's going to give you a lot of power. It's going to give a whole shot for a 24-foot boat that you're not used to. It's going to have a lot of fun, but the one thing to notice is you've got lots of functionality back here on the back. You've got a wash down up here. You've got your full stereo controls. You've got the cushions where you've got two different levels to sit on. Ski deck's in great shape. So let's go up inside and take a look at a few of the benefits up in there. So coming up inside, first thing you'll notice, it's got a really sharp interior. White, so it's going to be cool. It's going to look great. It's in fantastic shape. You can look at all the high traffic areas up here and see, but you've got tons of storage underneath each one of these cushions, so you're going to have lots of room to keep those things that you've got to have with you, but you can keep them out of the way. Moving up here a little closer, you're going to have the wind block, so those days when you maybe stay out on the water a little bit late and headed to dinner, it's a little chilly, you can block everything off and have a nice little wind dam back there. So lots of comfort built in on this boat, tons of storage down here, but in case that wasn't enough, check out the storage you've got in here. You can put a portable head in there if you'd like, but you'll notice you'll see the table, you see the table leg. You've got tent poles down in there. This boat has everything. All the pieces are there just like you would want it to be. Looking up here on the tow bar, you can see the bimini's in fantastic shape. It's tight, it's clean. You've got the drive speakers up here, so you're going to have all the tunes. You've got speakers in the back up here. You got speakers in the front up here. You're going to have the sound that you're looking for. You want versatility? How's that? You've got a full lounge back here, so you've got plenty of comfort, plenty of room for hanging out, enjoying family, enjoying friends, having a great time. All the instruments have been gone through under a full two-page inspection, switches, gauges to make sure everything works as it should. You've got your wake control over here, so when you're in the no wake zones, you're still going to be able to get out. You won't have to putt at 3 miles an hour. Sea deck's in great shape on the floor. Place where you can mount your table back here. Man, this boat is ready to go. It's got all the features and benefits that you want to make a great time on the water and make lots of memories this summer. So come down here to Texas Marine, ask for Todd. Let's make your boating dreams come true. 936-539-2628. Hope you have a great day.